Hello everyone, welcome to sudarshankids. In this video, I am sharing remaining 25 important math questions for grade 1. In my previous video, I have already shared 25 questions. So if you have not watched that video, check out the description box. So let's start. What do you understand by the length of an object? Length is a measure of how long an object is or the distance between two points. Which thing is used to measure the length of an object? The meter rule. Which is longer, handspan or pace? Pace. Which thing is used to measure the weight of an object? The balance beam. Who is heavier, a mouse or an elephant? An elephant. What do you mean by the capacity of a vessel? Capacity of a vessel is the quantity of liquid it can hold. Which vessel has more capacity, a tub or a bottle? A tub. What is the currency of India? Rupee. The currency sign for American dollar is? What is the currency of Japan? Yen. How many 10 rupee note make rupees 100? 10. How many days are there in a week? 7 days. If today is Saturday, then which day was yesterday? Friday. अगर आपने पार्ट 1 वीडियो नहीं देखा है तो आप ऊपर आई बटन को क्लिक कर सकते हैं या फिर डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिंक को चेक कर सकते हैं. If yesterday was Monday, which day will be tomorrow? Wednesday. How many days a leap year has? 366 days. How many months are there in a year? 12 months. How many weeks a year has? 52 weeks. How many days May and July have? 31 days. How many months of the year has 30 days? 4 months. How many days February has in a leap year? 29 days. What does the shorthand in a clock indicate? The shorthand indicates the time in hours. It is also called the hour hand. What does the long hand in a clock indicate? The long hand indicates the time in minutes. It's also called the minute hand. When the minute hand is at 12, what does the hour hand show? The hour hand shows the time of the day. What will be the time in a clock when hour hand is at 3 and minute hand is at 12? The clock will show 3 o'clock. tell the time the clock is showing. It's 11 o'clock. Complete the given pattern. So that's all for today's video. If you found useful, please like and share it and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.